Finally, I received my Google AdSense pin and I am on cloud 9 today. Before this, I had numerous doubts in my head like whether I would receive my Google AdSense pin or not. And I was not feeling like a real content creator. But now, believe me, I feel as if, yes, I have crossed or I have passed my struggle phase and now I am very confident. So friends, in today's video I am going to share with you how you can also become a content creator, because most of the language learners, they are fed up with their procrastination. They think I will start it from tomorrow. They have been waiting for the perfection. If you are the one, then you should watch this video. Once I quit government job. That time I was not good at mathematics or other subjects except English. Then I just learned English. It took me 1 year, okay? But before 1 year I was following blindly English methods like grammar, tenses. It was not working for me. And then in just 60 days, when I joined one of my personal trainer, she was from Jammu and Kashmir, then she definitely made me fluent in English. So in today's video, I am telling you, when I was learning English, that time I faced a lot of challenges. But I do not believe in Indian government policies or their education system. So I quit preparing for UPSC and other job, and then I completely switched myself to YouTube. But I want to tell you, before diving into YouTube journey, you must be doing something part-time job. If you do not do that, then you will feel like, oh my god, it is taking more than 6 months, 8 months, and you will get exhausted. Okay, so I had the same problem when I was preparing and quit. Then I thought, now I learned English, I will become a content creator. But the another problem when I started facing, it was YouTube journey. When I tried facing myself on camera, I didn't like myself. I thought, oh my god, my look is so bad, my voice is not good, I am from village, people would not love and support me. It was my misconception. And extra pressure what I had was mostly people who used to come at my initial phase when I had like 10 views for the next 6 months, and 20 views. Then they used to comment me in the comment section like, your pronunciation is not good, the way you pronounce English word, it's horrible. And I thought like, oh my god, I don't have any job or I don't have anything. And I have been I had one job as an English trainer at one platform where I was making money 30 to 35,000. Okay, that was, I was very secure, and I used to upload videos. You can observe through my videos at initial phase. I didn't have idea how to make thumbnail, how to edit videos, or how to present myself on camera. But I had only one goal, that I should upload at least one videos a week. That's it, 4 videos in a month. So I was following the same thing, and I thought like, once my one of my video was like it will go viral, then I will quit my trainer job of 30 to 35k, and I will completely become a full-time YouTuber. Because in YouTube journey you can make money as per your own choice, as per your talent, right? So I do not want to work under anyone, and this is what I did. So I want to tell you, I had no any skills like editing, thumbnail making or anything, but still I tried my best because I was not chasing perfection. Okay, so one thing, most of the people, they said, sir, why don't you cut your videos while recording yourself? You just go on speaking without any break or anything for 10 minutes, 20 minutes, whatever you want. What is the reason behind it? The reason behind it, I don't know editing, so I don't cut videos. If once I break my flows 2-3 times, then it will be very difficult for me to edit. And other thing is that in my first video you can see there is no thumbnail. So one of kids, he was playing around and he was making videos. So I said, dear, can you please make a thumbnail for me? I will give you opportunity to have role thumbnail like Chowmein and etc, whatever you want. And he said, okay, I totally agree. and he was a little bit shy boy, but he still taught me how to make thumbnail. But I never change my thumbnail pattern, otherwise I will forget. I don't know how to make it. So I want to tell you in today's video, if you really want to become a content creator, then please stop chasing perfection. Start it from today onwards. If you are not doing any job, okay, then this is the best opportunity. If you are a student, it is a best opportunity. You should not be consistent forever. Mostly people, they think like, once I will get free time, then only I will start my YouTube journey. That time will never come. Okay, you should just upload videos on Sundays. That's it. Sunday is a fun day for everyone, and you should make the most of Sunday. Rather going any park or restaurant, it's better to upload videos on YouTube. Okay, so that you can also make money. And in today's video, I want to tell you, if you thought 1 year back like, I want to become a YouTuber, I want to become a content creator, and you had a strong wish but you quit that journey, then from today onwards you can also start. Okay, you can just feel the vibe what I am feeling right now. Okay friends, so once you do this, nobody can stop you from becoming a perfect YouTuber. Okay, and never wait for perfection. Again and again I'm telling you. And you should not be consistent. Consistency doesn't mean you should upload videos on regular basis. Firstly, you should do any part-time job. Okay, and if you have been working anywhere, like you are a working professional and you are not satisfied of your job, then you should also take action as early as possible. On Sundays you can upload videos. Once your videos will going viral or something, then you can directly shift to YouTube. Okay, once you received your Google AdSense pin, then you will have confidence in your life, like, yes, I received something. So now today I have different feeling, but before that I was not considering myself that I am a YouTuber. However, I was making money just by paid courses. Okay, but now I am very confident because now I am a certified YouTuber, so I can easily add my bank account and I can get paid. So I am very happy. Okay, so this was not any English learning video. It was for your personal motivation, and you can also, if you really want to feel the same vibe what I have been feeling for I think after going viral, not too much viral but it is more than enough for me. And now I want to share with you my personal experience. If I crossed, if I faced my personal struggle journey, which is a very tough journey, from 0 views, 0 subscriber to 1K or 4,000 hours watch time or etc. I crossed everything. Now my channel is about to like 6K. So I want to tell you, then I can also I have now dream like I can also achieve to 1 million, more than that. So you get confidence. Okay, you gain a lot of energy from your work. So be honest and just do whatever you want in your life. Stop chasing perfection. It is not my fault if I born in a like village. Then if sometimes I mispronounce words, if my English is not good that much, but still I am happy. It's not my fault. If you are living in Delhi, Mumbai, or from another country, if your pronunciation is good, then it is your pronunciation, not mine. Okay, so I should be fortunate for the things what I have. I never compare myself to any other creators or anyone. Okay friends, so please enjoy yourself, and congratulations to you all, because this is not my channel only, it is our all channel, because we are not only growing ourselves, we are growing our India. So please be in touch and enjoy yourself and take actions of becoming a content creator as early as possible. Thank you so much. Bye bye, take care.